Let's take a look at this example. Please notice that this time both equations are solved for two unknowns. First one is solved for x and the second one is solved for y. So what we're supposed to do? Copy the first equation, x equals 19 minus 3y, and substitute instead of y, 2x minus 3. So if x equals 19 minus 3, and instead of y, we're supposed to write 2x minus 3. And I have x equals 19. I have to eliminate the parentheses by multiplying negative 3 by every single term inside of the parentheses. So I have negative 3 times 2x is equal to negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3 gives me positive 9. Next, we're supposed to combine the like terms. Negative 6, I'm going to move to the left side because I want to collect x's on the left side. So I have x plus 6x equals 19 plus 9. X plus 6x is equal 7x equals 28. In order to find the value of x, I have to divide both sides of my equation by 7. 7 and 7 will cancel out. X is equal 4. Okay, so this is the value of x. Next, I'm supposed to find the value of y. I'm going to take second equation this time because second equation is already solved for y. So I have y equals 2x minus 3. Y is equal 2 times x, which is equal 4 minus 3. Y equals 2 times 4 is equal 8. 8 minus 3, as if y is equal 8 minus 3 is equal 5. And this is my value of y. In order to verify that our answers are correct, we're supposed to substitute x's in both equations by 4 and y's by 5. So let me copy down the first equation. I have x equals 19 minus 3y. X is equal 4. So I have 4 equals 19 minus 3 and y is equal 5. So I have 4 equals 19 minus 15. 4 equals 19 minus 15 is equal 4. As you can see, the left side of my equation is equal to the right side. So first equation works, we can say, okay? Now let's check the second one. We have y equals 2x minus 3. Y is equal 5 equals 2 times x, and x is equal 4 minus 3. 5 is equal 2 times 4 equals 8 minus 3. 5 equals 8 minus 3 equals 5. Again, left side of my equation is equal to the right side. So I can say that the ordered pair x equals 4 and y equals 5 is the solution to this system of two linear equations.